The Lexus CEO just announced 6 brand new models for 2027, and the reaction from the automotive world has been nothing short of shock. If you've been watching Lexus play it safe for years, quietly improving existing models while bolder brands grabbed all the headlines, this announcement is going to completely change the way you see this brand. Most people think Lexus is a reliable but predictable choice, but these 6 models include a supercar, a first-ever 3-row electric SUV, and a sports sedan ditching its engine entirely, proving that the most exciting chapter in Lexus history is only just beginning. Number 6. Lexus LFR. The LFA left production back in 2012, and it took that unforgettable V10 whale with it. For over a decade, every Lexus reveal brought the same question from enthusiasts. Is the Halo car coming back? The answer is yes, and it's called the LFR. When a luxury brand has no flagship performance car, every model in its lineup gets measured against that absence. Buyers cross-shopping Ferrari, Porsche, and Mercedes-AMG notice it immediately. The LFR is being built to fill that gap, permanently. There will be no V10 this time. Instead, a twin-turbocharged V8 paired with a hybrid system is taking center stage, technology drawn from the Toyota GR-GT but pushed even further. The combustion engine alone is expected to produce well over 600 horsepower, with the hybrid system potentially contributing another 200 horsepower on top. A GT3 race car version is being developed in parallel for events like Le Mans and Daytona. This is a live supercar program, not a design exercise. Pricing is expected between $250,000 and $550,000, placing the LFR alongside the Ferrari 296 GTB and McLaren 750S. The LFR is going to make a powerful argument, but a supercar is only one piece of this announcement. The next model is one that millions of everyday buyers will care about far more, and the changes are bigger than anyone expected. Number 5. Next generation Lexus ES. For years, the ES carried the same reputation: comfortable, dependable, and quietly forgettable. This redesign is about to change that completely. Think about what most luxury sedan buyers are weighing right now: rising fuel costs on one side, range anxiety around EVs on the other. The new ES is being built to sit directly between those two concerns. A hybrid powertrain is now standard across the full lineup, with 2 all-electric models joining the range alongside it. The ES 350h produces 243 horsepower, with fuel economy expected near 45 miles per gallon combined. For the buyer who covers a lot of ground weekly, that figure alone changes the ownership math significantly. The ES 350e is targeting approximately 300 miles of range, while the dual-motor ES 500e delivers 339 horsepower and hits 60 miles per hour in just 5.4 seconds. The platform is entirely new. The wheelbase grows to 116.1 inches, overall length pushes past 202 inches, translating directly into more rear seat space and stronger road presence. Inside, a 14-inch touchscreen and 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster arrive as standard. Hybrid pricing starts around $47,000 to $50,000, with the ES 500e approaching $60,000. For a car that's been easy to overlook, the new ES is shaping up to be impossible to ignore. But if the ES is getting a ground-up reinvention, wait until you hear what's happening at the very bottom of the Lexus lineup, because that one is long overdue for the same treatment. Number 4. Next generation Lexus UX. The UX has always kept a low profile: compact, efficient, easy to live with in the city. It's done exactly what it was designed to do. The problem is that it's been doing the same thing since 2019, and the segment around it has kept moving. Anyone who's loaded groceries into the current UX's cargo area knows the complaint. Rear passengers on longer drives know it too. The tight packaging that made the UX easy to park has always come at a cost in livability. The 2027 redesign is Lexus's answer: a significantly sharper exterior, revised spindle grille, updated LED lighting, and a cabin reworked from the ground up with stronger material quality and meaningfully better packaging, where the current model has always fallen short. Hybrid powertrains are going to define the new UX lineup, delivering the excellent fuel economy and near-silent low-speed experience that made the original appealing, now in a far more competitive product. The UX is getting its most complete overhaul yet, but number 3 isn't being refreshed. It's being reinvented from scratch, and the direction Lexus is taking, it will genuinely surprise you. Number 3. All-new Lexus IS. The IS has worn the sports sedan badge for years with some credibility, particularly when the IS 500 arrived. But the platform underneath has been aging steadily, and the driving experience has reflected that. The new IS is riding on an entirely different platform. No turbocharged 4-cylinder this generation, no V6 or V8 either. The new IS is going to be offered exclusively as a fully electric vehicle. Anyone who has driven a performance EV understands what that means. There's no waiting for boost to build. Torque arrives at the exact moment you need it, from a complete stop. For a sports sedan with genuine performance intentions, that isn't a compromise. It might be the single biggest upgrade the IS has ever received. The exterior design is expected to be the most aggressive the IS has ever worn, built on a lower center of gravity and a genuinely clean slate. This isn't a new body over an old car, and if you think an all-electric sports sedan is the boldest move here, the next model is something Lexus has never built in its entire history. Number 2. Lexus TZ. 3-row luxury SUVs are among the fastest-growing segments in the market. Every premium buyer shopping for space and daily usability is looking at them, and until now, Lexus has had nothing to say to that buyer. Families stretching their budget for a premium 3-row vehicle have had to look at the Kia EV9, the Rivian R1S, or the Cadillac Lyriq, because there simply wasn't a Lexus option. The TZ is being built specifically for that buyer, not a stretched RX with a jump seat added as an afterthought, but a purpose-built 3-row electric SUV designed around that mission from day one. Consider what that buyer actually needs. Enough space for 3 rows of real passengers. A powertrain quiet enough that conversation in the 3rd row doesn't require raising your voice. Long-term reliability that justifies the investment. That combination is exactly where Lexus has always been strongest, and the TZ is bringing all of it to a segment the brand has never entered. A competitive range and smooth composed driving experience are going to anchor this model's identity. The TZ is going to arrive as a serious contender, but the number 1 spot belongs to the model generating the loudest reaction since this announcement dropped. Number 1. Lexus LC Successor. The LC500 has spent years doing one thing exceptionally well: turning heads. Few cars at any price point have matched its visual presence, but there's always been a gap between the way the LC looks and the way it performs, and that gap has followed the car its entire life. Buyers who stretch their budget expecting a true grand tourer quickly learn the reality. Beautiful to look at, not quite as thrilling to push. The successor is being built to close that gap permanently. Lexus is drawing directly from the Toyota GR-GT program, the twin-turbocharged V8 hybrid producing over 640 horsepower, built around an aluminum space frame chassis focused on low weight and aerodynamic precision. The new LC will ride on an evolved version of the current platform, but the technology arriving from the GR-GT is going to transform what this car actually feels like at pace. Built as a Grand Tourer first, engineered to cover serious distances with genuine power, without the cabin harshness that performance usually demands as a trade-off. For anyone who felt the LC500's performance never quite matched the promise of its design, the new model is the version that finally delivers on that potential in full. 6 models, 6 completely different directions, and every single one was built with a purpose. The LFR is restoring a performance legacy missing for over a decade. The ES is finally giving luxury sedan buyers a reason to look twice. The UX is shedding 6 years of criticism in one redesign. The IS is making the case that electric power and sports sedan DNA belong together. The TZ is stepping into a 3-row segment Lexus has never touched, fully electric from day one. And the LC successor is arriving with the performance to finally match everything the design has always promised. Taken together, this isn't a product refresh. It's a brand making a statement that the next generation of Lexus buyers, whether they're after efficiency, space, or performance, are going to find exactly what they're looking for. Now, Lexus isn't the only part of Toyota that's making bold moves with brand new models for the next year. If you want to find out what the world's largest automaker is preparing in its mainstream department, make sure to check out our video about 7 new Toyota models for 2027. From revolutionary truck designs to state-of-the-art sports cars, Toyota is about to amaze everyone.